Hi, my name is Nadia. I'm a stitching instructor. I'm making video for the beginners and for those who wants to learn. Today I'm going to teach you in this video how to make the gorgeous fabric flower by using just a simple steps and supplies. These are very simple 6 petal flowers. I hope you will like it. Let's start the video. For this we need 4 round objects, a pan, a thread with the needles, beads, glue and scissors, piece of fabric and the cardboard. In first step you place your round lid on cardboard and draft it one by one. I take different size of lids. Please one thing keep in mind, I am making 4 round objects right now, but I will use only one in this video. I will use all these round objects in my upcoming videos. I will make different types of and different size of flowers with the help of these. Now cut these one by one properly with the help of scissors. Now 4 round objects are ready. In second step, decide which flower size you want to make. Then pick up your required size of the round object and trace around it, making the circles of fabric that you need to create the flower petals. After you have finished tracing circles, cut it out of the fabric. 6 petals work well for this flower. After complete this kind of flowers, you can attach it in your hairbands or waistline of your frock. In third step, now you have 6 fabric circles. Take a thread and a needle. Take one fabric circle and fold it in half, then fold it half again. Now it should look like a quarter of fabric circle. Show the sides of folded piece of fabric. You have to repeat the same process 6 times in a same way, the same thread. Once you have created all of flower petals, you need to fix them together like this way. After that, tying a knot to secure the end. Once you have finished creating your first fabric flower, you can make more if you wish. To complete the flower, use glue to attach a bead to the center. Hope you like this video. If you like, please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and share this video with your friends. Take care, bye bye.